Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to clone objects in MicroSurvey CAD. So what does it mean to clone an object? Do not get it confused with copying, which simply duplicates an object exactly. Before I explain, go up to the top and click Edit, and move down and click Clone. Next, select one entity to clone. In this case, for example, this bottom line. I'm now prompted to draw a whole new line. As you can see, cloning just allows you to create the same type of object with different properties. Let's click Clone again and try with the square. And now the arc. And now the circle. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.